Hey guys, this is Nancy Sliger, and I will be your chemical systems teacher at the Excel Center for this term. What I'm screencasting is the syllabus, and this is the information concerning the chemical systems class. Because this is an online class, we're going to have in-person meetings, and so there's a calendar on here for that also. If you have any questions, you can email me, or you can use a text me now number, this one right here that you're seeing on the screen. Just send me an email and tell me what you need. Be sure and tell me the class you're in, the day you're on of the assignments. My Google Classroom is arranged by days, so please be specific as to what particular assignment. Even if don't just say Ed Puzzle, there's different ones I'll be using, so please be specific about that. If you try to contact me after 4:15 on a Friday evening, I may not get back to you until Monday. I have family and stuff that's out of town occasionally, and we have to do things with them. So don't panic. Just send me an email. If I'm working on school stuff, I'll try to get back to you that weekend, but don't panic until Monday, and I'll try to help you then. We're going to have mandatory meetings in person like we did the previous term. Here is the schedule, and you'll have access to this in your Google Classroom. The days for mandatory meetings are June 10th and June 17th. You need to come in at 12, 2:40, or 5:30 p.m. And for my class in chemical systems, it's generally a lab. If you need other tutoring, I'll be available on Fridays from 10 to 11 or 1:30 to 3. Please email me ahead of time so I know you're coming in case because a lot of times on Friday, if we have to do a doctor's appointment or something, that may be when we take those days. So just make sure you email me, let me know you're coming so I can make sure I'm there for you. If you have to come in on any of these tutoring times because you're online and you need childcare, you have to have all of your paperwork turned into Jessica Jones. And here's her personal email and phone number. If you think you might need the daycare for those 2 days, your children's shot records, birth certificates, all that information has to be turned into her. She has everything on file for you to use the daycare. And don't wait till the day of. And she needs to know like 24 hours in advance. And if you think you're going to need that, please get that information to her within this first week of school so she can get everything set up. The chemical systems class is a half credit of science, and you have to have a 70% or higher to get the science credit. If you make between a 60 and a 69, you'll get elective credit. There are DAAs that you have to fill out, daily attendance assignments, in order to be counted present. My DAAs sometimes also count as grades. So if you miss one on a Monday, so go ahead and do it on Tuesday because it will be worth points. If you forget to turn in an assignment, we have a second Friday rule, which means, like, let's say I assign something on June 3rd. June 5th is the first Friday. June 12th would be the second Friday. You have until the second Friday to turn this in. But please don't let your assignments pile up to that last week because there'll be tests and stuff and you'll get behind. So you need to be doing your work every day and staying up with that. This video is going to end in about 50 seconds. So if I don't get through, I'll make a second one and post it also. Your test and labs will be about 70% of your grade. Worksheets and so forth are 30%. So attendance is critical. If you miss more than 15 days, you may be dropped from the class. And you need to do your own work. And there will be a second. This whole syllabus will be on one posting on Google Classroom. This sheet right here will be second by itself. This is the one you need to sign. So I'll be forthcoming with more videos. Looking forward to having you in class, and thank you.